Yeah, go.
Hi, my name is Richard Kastelein, and I'm going to do a little demonstration of the Twinners format of the cross-media social platform, or the CMSP. Let me explain this a little bit. This is actually what is broadcast and has been broadcast on a number of broadcast television networks, including Super RTL in Germany, RTL in Belgium, SBS in Denmark, and TV Copenhagen, as well as SBS in the Netherlands. What makes this unique, actually, is the fact that terrestrial or broadcast stations can use this without needing any kind of advanced IPTV connections or any really futuristic kind of technology. The only thing that's needed, really, is a server inside their studios, which really cuts back on costs. So our initial pilots that have been done in Europe have been done in the wee hours of the morning. Now, what's also interesting about this is there is some integration with the web, and where users can go and create either avatars online, or they can upgrade them, or they can, buy gifts for other people. These are some of the other things that we've been looking at. But our website is only a proof of concept. It's still a proof of concept. And whilst the TV portion of the cross-media social platform has surpassed that, and it's already been broadcasting live without the web component being a large function. Now, basically, if I could show you here how it works, this small screen here is embedded. We can run anything in here. We can have a VJ. We can have short clips of movies. We can have people contesting online, and the winning video or the winning music, homemade music video gets played here. These screens also in the back can also be used as video screens or moving image screens. Here you see. This is the introduction.
You can join by following these simple steps. First, pick up your phone and call the number on the screen. Then you build your virtual character by phone.
Welcome to Twinners.com. You can now create your Twinner. What type of man do you want to be? If you want to be a cool surfer type, press 1. If you want to be a macho dress.
If your virtual character is ready, you will enter the beach bar on TV. You can now chat with other callers by phone.
Hi, I'm Michael.
Hi, Michael.
Hi everybody, I'm Sophie.
Hi Sophie.
How are you doing?
Doing fine, and you?
Call now, have fun, and maybe you will find your dream partner. Twinners.com. Meet new friends, live on TV, and 100% discreet.
Now, as you can see on the upper right hand side, there's been pop-outs coming out. That's how we explain, because not only can you actually call in, you can also move to different tables by pressing the table number, 10, 13, 12, 17. If you press that direct in, then you will move to that table. Some of the tables hold 4 people, some of them are 2, some of them are more. And while you're at that table, you can actually talk with the people. So you can converse and chat with them and gossip and discuss the videos that are maybe being played here, perhaps. Or if there's a contest, maybe between tables, something along those lines. One of the restrictions that we have with using it on terrestrial or broadcast TV is we can hold about 100 people. With IPTV, satellite, or using set-top boxes, future formats, well, we can have a number of different stations. So it doesn't matter. We might have a bar that holds, we might have 10 different types of virtual environments, which hold 100 people. Now, I'm actually going to do a test. I'm going to call in and create my character. So, picking up my phone, calling 0044 870 922 9407, calling long distance. Let me turn on the music. Okay. It's welcoming me, and now I'm going to, I already know how it works. And now I can create my character, okay. She's asking me what type of man I want to be. Cool surfer type, sounds good. Now I'm getting to choose the color of my hair. Blonde hair, yeah. And the next is color my clothing. I think I'm going to be red. So, Now it's ready and it's appearing on screen. I'm on 21. You can see there I'm a cool surfer dude, and the beautiful girl is serving me a drink, thankfully. Now, if there was another person, which Gianluigi's filming at the moment, he could also call the number and sit down at that table and have a conversation with me. So I'm actually going to move to table 12 now. So I pressed in 12. You can see me disappearing. And now she's telling me I've moved to chat group 12. So I've moved to chat group 12. Now I'm going to do star, let's do star 15. And I'm going to do an action. A wave. Hey, you over there. There we go. And let's do star, I don't know them off by heart, but let's do star 12. Star 12 is blowing a kiss, as you can see. So there are a number of ways to interact with different people, from having a conversation with them to using your telephone to do gestures. And let me reiterate, it's not just a mobile phone. It's also a regular telephone landline. As long as you have signals from your telephone, it doesn't matter what type of it is. I mean, the future of Twinners could also include, for instance, a mobile application, which could make things easier. And but this concept is already 3 years old, so the world has changed a lot since then. So this is Twinners. I also have to mention there is a moderation platform where in the back where the person who's either in control here as a VJ or a DJ or not, it can be anyone. There is a control panel at the back that allows people to be removed from the bar with the click of a button, and the technology is quite simple for that. So this is Twinners, and this is the cross-media social platform, and we feel confident that this concept can make money using a freemium platform by integrating an X Factor type gaming into it. But this is only one format of the cross-media social platform. We can do anything. We're creating virtual worlds here. We're using telephone technology, telephony 2.0, which is not new, but it has advanced, particularly because of the advances in call center world, and that's where the technology comes from. So we could have games going on here. We could have 15 people in a game show, all virtual characters. These people that could build their virtual characters online, including uploading their own photograph and having that scanned over their face so they actually look like the person that's on the television, somewhat. There is the technology available to do that. There's the technology available to also have bubbles above, maybe texting or SMSing, so it would show up here. You could also have above your character could be some symbols. Maybe a heart is looking for love. Maybe a peace sign is that you're a peace type person, and you would be able to see with a series of small icons above each person, maybe a little bit more about their profile and maybe why you would want to talk to them. So I'd like to thank you for the presentation and hope you enjoy. We'll talk further later. Thank you.